Hi everyone, welcome to Valrine Vernon home. In this video, we are doing the easiest jerk chicken ever, and it tastes so good. I am getting ready here to give my chicken thighs a good rinse off because it's a Jamaican cultural thing. We wash almost everything before it goes into the pot. What do you guys do in your kitchen? Do you wash your chicken before you cook it? Give me your feedback. Let me know in the comment section. Now it's time to season the chicken thighs. I am showing you here my jerk sauce of choice whenever I do not make my own. It has a very balanced flavor with a lovely kick of spice. Plus, it is very cost effective and I find that it absorbs so nicely and quickly into the chicken meat. I don't have to let it sit for more than an hour or so. Oh, yeah, the chicken is going into the air fryer. Now, generally in Jamaica, we do jerk chicken over an open flame, and it does add that lovely dimension to the jerk chicken. That's authentic. But when you don't have an open flame like myself here, your oven, your toaster oven, your air fryer will do. Just make sure you get a very good jerk sauce. I'll just close this and then I think I'm gonna set it for a half an hour first and then we can take it from there. Okay, that's 20 minutes. I'll go to 30 minutes. That's it. Just let it do its thing. I think about halfway in, maybe 15 minutes or so, I'll come and I'll switch the top tray, put it at the bottom, and then switch the bottom one to the top. I should mention that depending on how well done you want your chicken to be, it may take between 25 to 40 minutes. For me, it took just about 40 minutes because we like our chicken well done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Give me some thumbs up, share, and if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing before you leave. And remember to turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. I'll see you in the next one.